welcome. When you see me, it's a new vlog. And yeah, so guys, today is the 6th of September, so we are starting with our birthday prep. So today we are going to start off with our lashes. Let's go and do our lashes. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what you'd like to see next. Okay, thank you, bye, let's go.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's 2:30 right now, so I'm knocking off. Today I am going to do my nails. This is how my nails are looking right now. So I'm going to do my nails. Let's go and do my nails. This is part of the birthday preps, and today it's Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2:30. So let's go and do my nails. I'm going to first go and take my nephew from crash and then take him home, then go straight to go do my nails. So the next video I'll be at my nail tech. All right, bye.
Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every
walking down the streets, feeling the breeze. In the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook.
So right now it's currently 8 p.m. guys, and we are washing our transport for tomorrow. So today it's Thursday the 11th. Tomorrow we're leaving, so right now we have to wash our transport, and that's what we are doing. Let's wash this baby, huh? I'll show you how she looks after. We are done now. Baby girl is looking all cleaned up. Ooh la la. So my uncle came along to help us wash this baby, and now she's all clean. So the next thing we're going to do, guys, I need to do my toenails. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys that, but yeah, for now it's bye. Morning guys, so I'm about to leave for work, so we're just going to pack up, and I'm going to leave with everything. My twin will find me somewhere. So for now we're just picking up our road snacks. So we got some Red Bulls and this new drink, so we're going to keep them out. It's Friday. The 12th. So we just packed up in the car, guys. We're just going to use one big bag, and these are our drinks and magnums, some snacks, water, and some minor things that we just threw in the bag. So this is how our vacation boot is looking. So now I'm going to go to work first, and then yeah, so banana guys. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm at work now. It's around 8:30. So I'm going to knock off early, and yeah, so I will say a lot when I'm with my twin, okay, because I'm going to meet her somewhere, then we bounce. Okay, I'm so excited, y'all. But anyways, when I'm with my twin, okay. Bye for now. Here's Twinny, guys. So I just met up with her here, so we are gonna leave now and head for our destination. Say hi to my people, Batong.
Hi, Batong.
You're looking all sorts of delicious.
Just a girl.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to star.
Hey guys, so we just got to Coconut Spa. So we are going to have our first ever massage, guys. We have never been to a massage or a spa or anything like that, so this is going to be our first time experience, guys. I'm nervous and excited at the same time. I don't know what to expect, but anyways, let's do this. I know I'm looking all sorts of delicious. Let's go.
No plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run.
Let's go have our first massage. Ooh, let's go.
Night, nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
Hi guys, so we are done with our Swedish Swedish massage. That was so nice, guys. It was our first time actually, and oh my god, definitely doing it again, definitely, and very soon. So now we're just going to go to the pool and the jacuzzi and have a glass of wine. Let's go. Don't I just look cute in this robe? Oh my goodness. Yes, I think so. Okay guys, so we're just going to go to the jacuzzi and the pool, then we are heading straight to check in. Here's some wine for us. This was also included in the package, guys, so yeah.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message.
Oh guys, the spa surprised us with this cake for our birthday. Oh my god, guys, we really didn't expect this, but oh my god, it's so cute actually. This is so cute, guys. Oh my word, Twinny God has as well. This is so cute, guys. Oh my god, Coconut Spa, you're the girl you think you are. Guys, so we just arrived at our accommodation and I'm just going to show you an apartment tour. Okay, this is from the door. I'm at the door right now. When you enter, this is what you see: the lounge area and the dining area. Oh my god, guys, I'm obsessed. The reason I chose this place was because of the lounge area. Oh my goodness, every time I book, I make sure I check the lounge area and the kitchen, and I fell in love. Look at this. This is gorgeous, guys. The green, the mirrors, what? This is gorgeous. Oh my word, oh my word, oh my word. And the huge ass TV. Who the hell? The aesthetics in this place, guys. Oh my. Hi guys. And the dining set is so cute. Oh my word. And then in the kitchen area, we have the fridge, obviously. Everything is here, guys. The gorgeous glasses for champagne, for wine, they are there. And they just manje. We have 2 basins, and washing machine. Yazini, guys, I know, kuningi. So let's go and see the bedrooms as well. This is bedroom number 1. I love that there's not a lot of things in here. It's exactly how I wanted. Love it. Very clean, very cutesy, very demure. Oh my goodness. And this is the bathroom. We have only 1 bathroom, but we have the bathtub and the shower. Look at how gorgeous the bathtub is. Oh my word, the black taps, absolutely in love. Oh my god, the aesthetics in here, guys, black and white, love it so much. And this is the shower, and it's so huge, very 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 huge. Love it so much. And the lighting in this place, guys, insane. Oh, that's the delicious shana, of course. And black taps, I love this as well, so cute. Again, let's go and see bedroom number 2. Also very clean, very demure. There's also not a lot of things. Kurinje, guys, I love this place. I am so obsessed. Oh my goodness. And then yeah, I think that's literally it. There's just a very cute apartment for a birthday. I am so happy. And then we have the balcony. Oh, this is the balcony, guys. This is the table. I didn't think there's this, like, we can actually come make a cute breakfast. With just that, if we wanted to do a barbecue, we're gonna need coal and stuff and yeah, but guys, just look at this corner. Look at this corner. Look at this area, nje. Hi guys. Credits to the host. Credits to the host. Love this place so much. Okay, let us bring our stuff in. So right now we are going to bring our stuff in, and then we're going to go out to Montecasino because we need to go and have our dinner and also maybe play a few games. Then we're gonna come back and when we come back, because time to sleep is fucked up, baby. We are here to have a good time. Okay, so yeah, for now let's just bring our stuff in, and then yes, we'll talk. Love you guys so much. Okay guys, so we are at Montecasino right now, and guys, oh my god, it looks like we're outside but we're actually inside a building. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's so nice. Oh my way. But this place is actually much nicer than Emperor's Palace and Carnival City. We are going to bowling first. So we are in fire room, have our dinner, then we go home. So we are in fire room, guys. My view. Hi. And yeah, this is how it's looking. So I'm having the zone out, and Twinnie's having the the Caribbean sours. So let's try them out. Or might as well order the Coke. So anyways, these are our drinks. We're still waiting for our meals.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wakey. Hi, boy, wake up. Time to sleep is fucked up, madam. Hello, please take. Hello, take, madam, please take.
Are you okay?
Take. Wake up. Happy. Okay. Bye now. Wake up, okay? Morning, guys. Morning. So today is our birthday. It's the 13th of September, and right now it's around 8:30. We just gonna prepare our breakfast and get sent an Uber to go collect our cake on our behalf, and then now I was just preparing my clothes for today's activity, which is farmers market, baby. So let me show you my outfit. So this is my outfit for today. I'm going to be using that bag, and yeah, then my dress for today, my slides, and my sunglasses. I'll show you guys when I've already put on the dress and everything else. Voila.
5 minutes. You had to make them more. What about that one?
We are not. But at home, my friend. We are not. We are not married at home, my friend. Yes. So guys, I'm going to open up my package. We ordered something from Pick and Pay and Wimpy for Breaky. We are going to prepare our breakfast here. Guys, this is not content creator. So we are live, guys. He's doing it. So this is what we got. Shampoo. We got champagne, guys. I hope we don't get a restriction.
Yeah, we were waiting for the last visitor, right?
Yeah, and then we got candles. We're just going to use one.
Yeah.
We got candles.
The colors. I think we'll use these pink ones.
Yeah. And matches, because we forgot matches. That's all we got from Pick and Pay. Hello. Righty. Thank you. Yebo. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you. There we go. Huh? Oh, use the same. Oh. Thank you. Oh, my tongue. Thank you so much for the hat and my. Oh my god, this is so cute.
Oh, guys, this is.
Can't believe we are 20. What? This is breakfast. We're going to set it up outside on the balcony.
Please take pictures for me.
So guys, we've set up our table, our breakfast outside on the balcony.
I'm gonna press it for a few minutes.